The world is in chaos right now. We don't know which technology, which business, which jobs are still going to be around in 10 years. Today, I'm going to tell you why branding yourself digitally is the most important thing that you could be doing right now. Let's get into it. When someone pulls up your profile online, whether it's your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok account, they're going to immediately make decisions about you based on the content that you're producing, based on the posts that you are sharing, based on the content that you are liking. Your reputation means everything. We all know that guy that spends all his money or can't keep a relationship. We also know those people that tend to be successful and look good and stay healthy. That brand matters. Your reputation is everything. And nowadays, with everything online, your digital reputation is what matters. For decades, the American dream has been go to college, get a career, get married, white picket fence, retire. That is not the way that the world works anymore. What matters now is developing useful skills, challenging yourself consistently, and developing a brand that resonates with others. So you're probably saying to yourself, okay, I'm on board. I'd like to build my brand, but how do I do that? The first thing you need to do is focus on what you're passionate about. I would encourage you or challenge you to take 15 minutes and write down a long list of everything that you love and enjoy. What are your passions? Next, I want you to break that down to your top 5. Now that you have a priority list of your top 5 passions, you want to go all in on those with all of your posts. So when you're making a post on Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter, you need to ask yourself, is this post aligned with my 5 passions? Stay consistent with those passions. Stay on theme and post consistently as well. Don't just post once on Facebook and then go dark for a month. Keep posting regularly. This could be every day, multiple times a day, or maybe even once a week. Find something that works for you, but be consistent with your messaging and be consistent with your posting. Lastly, don't be afraid to try new things. Try the new features on TikTok. Try the new social media app that's out. Try that new technology that just got released. It's so important that you are trying new things. There are revolutions being released on a daily basis. You need to be mobile. You need to be flexible. You need to be dynamic in your skill set. Because in 10 years, we aren't going to be looking at what your career is. We're going to be looking at what value can you bring to this new job. I really believe that if you can focus on developing your brand, challenging yourself regularly, and learning new skills, you are going to be extremely successful. Thank you for your time. I'm Mark from Savant Media. Have a great day.